Okay, I'm just gonna run through a quick little, because it's fire, you should know what you're doing. They're kind of dangerous. But a lot of the cool labs in chemistry, you need fire to get that reaction going. So I'll just show you, how to set up your Bunsen burner if you haven't used one before. First thing you always check, this has to be perpendicular. That tells you that the gas valve is off. Because you don't want gas leaking for obvious reasons. So it is off, perpendicular. And then you check to make sure that all of your valves here are perfectly closed. Because if one of your holes is wide open when you light it, you're going to get a big poof of fire and you just might lose some eyebrows. So let's not do that. I'm turning this, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. This is all the way closed. And I only want to open it a little bit, and then that'll let me adjust to the heat and the flame that I really do want. But for now, I just want to turn it on. I like using a lighter because it's reliable. The spark, sometimes you get a lot of spark and if the flame is off, you have to keep clicking it. This one should work fine. But now that you know this is a little bit open, now you can go ahead and turn the valve on. And that's parallel to the pipe. So gas is now flowing. Now this one is a cooler flame because you get that nice bright yellow color. Once you see blue, that's your hotter flame. In most of the labs in chem, you need a really hot flame to go. So how do you make it go hotter? That's where you turn the valves. I like to use these because this is metal, and with the fire, it's going to get hot. Now, when you turn this valve, I should start to see a color change. Maybe. You see how a lot of that yellow is going away and you're getting a nicer blue color? And that orange on the outside, that was remnants from a previous lab that was burning. Now my flame is all the way blue. And it's kind of low. This knob on the bottom, it stays cool to the touch because you don't want to be trying to fight to turn this knob here with this glove. It's too cumbersome and you're going to knock this over and burn yourself. But remember, your cylinder here is piping hot. So if you need a lower flame, which is better for something really hot like this, that's where you turn the knob. And this one's going higher. You see that taller and taller? Because righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. That's not very safe, because now I have a really hot flame and it's this hot. Not necessary in chem. So just turn down your fire a little bit. It's like the volume knob. Just make it go down. Not too low, because if you're getting it really low, there's not enough, the flow of the gasoline tends not to catch the flame if this is too low. And that can be very dangerous, because if this flame goes out and this is still parallel perpendicular, you have propane getting pumped into the whole classroom. This flame has to stay on while this is open. So leave it low, but not low enough that the flame will extinguish itself. I think this is perfect. Nice blue color, about 4 inches high or so, just like that. And it should stay nice and lit for the whole time you're working the lab. There you go, Bunsen flame, properly safety lit. And to turn it off, it's as simple as going like this.